Think of your skincare routine like building a house. You wouldn't start with the roof, would you?
Layering skincare products is essential for maximizing their effectiveness. Each product plays a crucial role, working in synergy to cleanse, treat, and protect your skin. When applied in the correct order, products can penetrate the skin effectively, delivering their benefits where they're needed most.
Applying products out of order can hinder absorption and reduce their overall impact. Imagine applying a heavy moisturizer before a lightweight serum. The moisturizer would create a barrier, preventing the serum from reaching your skin.
Layering correctly ensures that each product complements the others, working harmoniously to achieve your desired results. By understanding the science behind layering and following a consistent routine, you can unlock the full potential of your skincare products and pave the way for a healthier, more radiant complexion.
A well-structured skincare routine consists of several key steps, each designed to address specific skin concerns. These steps, when followed consistently, create a comprehensive approach to achieving and maintaining healthy skin.
Step 1. Cleanse. Begin by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. Step 2. Tone. Toning helps to restore the skin's pH balance and prepare it for the next steps. Step 3. Treat. Apply targeted treatments, such as serums or essences, to address specific skin concerns like acne, hyperpigmentation, or wrinkles.
Step 4. Moisturize. Hydrate your skin with a moisturizer to seal in moisture and protect it from environmental aggressors. Step 5. Protect. Finish with sunscreen during the day to shield your skin from harmful UV rays.
Each product in your skincare arsenal serves a unique purpose. Understanding their functions and benefits can help you make informed choices for your skin type and concerns.
Cleansers are the foundation of any skincare routine. They remove dirt, oil, and makeup, preventing clogged pores and breakouts. Toners help to balance the skin's pH level, remove any remaining traces of cleanser, and prepare the skin for better absorption of subsequent products.
Serums are concentrated treatments that target specific skin concerns, such as wrinkles, dark spots, or acne. Moisturizers hydrate the skin, preventing dryness, flakiness, and premature aging. Sunscreens protect the skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging, sunburns, and skin cancer.
The key to effective layering is to apply products from thinnest to thickest consistency. This allows each product to penetrate the skin without being hindered by heavier formulations.
Start with a clean canvas. Always begin with a clean face. Apply a small amount of cleanser to damp skin and gently massage it in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water.
After cleansing and toning, apply products from thinnest to thickest. This typically means serums first, followed by moisturizers, and finally, sunscreen during the day. Allow a few minutes for each product to absorb before applying the next. This prevents pilling and ensures optimal penetration.
Use gentle upward strokes when applying products to your face and neck. Avoid rubbing or pulling on the skin. Section 5. Personalized skincare, tailoring your routine to your skin type. Not all skin is created equal. Different skin types have unique needs, so it's essential to tailor your skincare routine accordingly.
Oily skin. Opt for oil-free, non-comedogenic products that won't clog pores. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid or tea tree oil to control excess oil production.
Dry skin. Choose rich, hydrating moisturizers that contain humectants like hyaluronic acid or glycerin to attract and retain moisture.
Combination skin. Use a combination of products designed for both oily and dry skin. Focus on oil-controlled products in the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, and hydrating products on the cheeks.
Sensitive skin. Choose fragrance-free and hypoallergenic products to minimize the risk of irritation. Section 6. The Golden Rule of Skincare. Consistency is key. The secret to achieving and maintaining healthy, radiant skin lies in consistency. Just like any other healthy habit, such as exercise or a balanced diet, skincare requires dedication and regularity.
Make it a habit. Incorporate your skincare routine into your daily schedule, both morning and night. Set reminders on your phone or leave your products in a visible location to help you stay on track.
Be patient. Results don't happen overnight. It takes time for skincare products to work their magic.
Listen to your skin. Pay attention to how your skin responds to different products and adjust your routine accordingly. If you experience any irritation or breakouts, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist.
Section 7. Beyond the basics. Additional tips for skincare success. While the basic steps of cleansing, toning, treating, moisturizing, and protecting form the foundation of a solid skincare routine, there are additional tips that can further enhance your results.
Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin.
Don't forget your neck and décolletage. Extend your skincare routine beyond your face to your neck and décolletage.
Hydrate from within. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out.
Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin time to repair and regenerate itself. Section 8. Common layering mistakes and how to avoid them. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to make mistakes when layering skincare products. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid.
Applying products in the wrong order. Remember to apply products from thinnest to thickest consistency to ensure optimal absorption.
Using too much product. A little goes a long way. Using excessive amounts of product can clog pores and lead to breakouts.
Not giving products enough time to absorb. Allow a few minutes for each product to penetrate the skin before applying the next.
Skipping sunscreen. Sunscreen is non-negotiable, even on cloudy days. UV rays can penetrate clouds and damage your skin. Section 9. Listening to your skin. The importance of observation and adjustment. Your skin is unique and constantly evolving. It's important to listen to its signals and adjust your skincare routine accordingly.
Pay attention to changes. Be aware of any changes in your skin's texture, tone, or sensitivity.
Don't be afraid to experiment. Skincare is not one size fits all.
Seek professional advice. If you're struggling with persistent skin concerns or unsure about which products to use, consult a dermatologist or esthetician for personalized advice.
Section 10. The journey to clear skin, patience, persistence, and professional guidance. Achieving clear, healthy skin is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, persistence, and the right guidance.
Embrace the process. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Trust the process and be consistent with your routine.
Seek support. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's friends, family, or online forums. Sharing your skincare journey with others can provide motivation and encouragement.
Consult a professional. If you're struggling with persistent skin concerns, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A dermatologist can provide personalized advice and treatment options.
Section 11. Embrace the process. Enjoy the ritual of skincare. Skincare should be a pleasurable experience, not a chore.
Create a relaxing atmosphere. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis by lighting candles, playing calming music, or using essential oils.
Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to the sensations of applying your skincare products. Massage them into your skin gently and intentionally.
Celebrate your progress. Take the time to appreciate your skin and acknowledge the progress you've made.